Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a front lip, carbon front lip on the BMW M3. Got a beautiful interior. I was never really a fan of BMWs, but I've started to become a fan. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. First off, what we're going to need to do is remove this front inner portion. You have bolts there, a nut, couple more screws. So I gotta get this off on both sides. I've already got this side off. So then you're gonna remove two 8mm up there to loosen up the fender there. Got a bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 there on the bottom for the skid plate. And then we're gonna pop the hood. And then we got a couple Torx bits here on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this bumper off. And we're gonna put that there on. So what I'm doing right now is I think that first hole lines up with that other one. We're going to put it on both sides, going to see where it sits, and then make our adjustments so we can mark all of our other holes that we have here to do. So that's what I'm going to work on right now. Alright, so we got 2 of them lined up, everything lines up in the front. So now we can tip this thing up and get the rest done in the front there. Get it all lined up and tightened up. Alright, so I measured out all the holes and got them drilled. It is a pain in the ass for those center ones to get in through the 2 pieces down there to get them bolted. But it is possible. Fits overall pretty well, so I'm going to throw it on the car and see how it looks up in the air. Gray 8mm. They have little standoffs on them. Those are going to be on both sides to hold the bumper to the fender. Alright, so reverse order, we got all these ones back in. Bumpers on. So now we can put that wheel back on, torque it, set this on the ground, see what she looks like. Back her up in the light so you guys can actually see. But overall, it fit really, really well. It's just a pain in the ass to do these front holes and get the bolts in there and get everything right. So, let's set her down.